Namaste. Welcome to day 10 of Mindfulness Meditation Challenge. Hi, I'm Sneha, founder of Stress Less with Sneha J. And today I'm so excited for you if you have been following this challenge from day 1. Day 10 is a long time to have been practicing this mindfulness challenge, and I'm so excited for you. Thank you so much. A lot of people give up in the first week and you have made it to the second, and I'm really proud of you. Today, in this mindfulness challenge day, we are going to use sound as a way to bring ourselves to the present moment and become more and more aware. So if you are watching this video, pause for a moment and find a quiet space for yourself. Close your eyes and become comfortable. Become aware of your breath. Become aware of your incoming breath and outgoing breath. And slowly take your attention to your ears. Pay attention and bring to awareness any distant sounds that you may hear. Move from one sound to another. Not getting too much caught up into the source of the sound. You can just notice and acknowledge. Maybe it's the sound of the trucks, birds, wind, rain. Children playing outside. Maybe a dog barking. Whatever the sound is, just give all your awareness and attention to the sounds around you. Slowly bring your attention from the distant sounds to the sounds more closer to you. Maybe the sounds in the room that you are in or in your surroundings. Maybe it's the sound of the air in the room or the AC. Maybe sounds from your computer or phone. Maybe someone knocking at your door. Keep your awareness on the sounds around you. For the next few moments, I will play a singing bowl. And I'll beat it 5 times. All you have to do is Notice the sound as it starts, and notice when it begins and ends. Notice the rise and fall of the note of the singing bowl. With complete awareness. Keep your eyes closed. We'll begin now. Now slowly let go of the awareness of any sounds and bring your attention back to your breath. Notice your breath going in and out from your nostrils. Slowly become aware of your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And as you feel ready, you may slowly open your eyes. That was beautiful, wasn't it? This exercise suddenly opens up your hearing abilities, and it opens up your awareness. More than hearing abilities, it is the awareness of sounds around you, and it makes you become more aware of your surroundings. And it's a beautiful exercise that amplifies one of the senses, and I really enjoy it. One of the practices that I do is sound healing, and I have a whole playlist of sound healing, and I will post that at the end of this video, so you're welcome to watch that and enjoy those meditations. Thank you so much for watching this video and following this challenge. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. Comment what you felt about this meditation in the comments below, and share this information with all your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.